On your screen right now is basically a snapshot of a YouTube recap channel that is actually making those amount of money consistently over the past few years. And the best and craziest part is the fact that what a single video posted way back in 2023 generated 6 point something million views and made over $39,000 as well. And all of this was possible just by creating and uploading simple movie recaps. And the truth is that you can also get those sort of results that you just saw on your screen right now if only you watch this video till the very end. Because in this video I'm going to share with you a very easy way to actually create movie recaps without having to stress yourself. And so guys, now that we're on my screen, this is the AI tool we are using known as ViralCade. Now, in order to actually create your first movie recap with ViralCade, all you need to do is simply come over here to say new movie. Now, before I do that, let me show you the ones that I have personally made. You can see I made this 2 days ago. I made 3 of these 2 days ago. You can see them here. This is a full documentary on how pirates built the British Empire. This one is a movie recap. This one is also a movie recap, but they are short clips. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you how you can actually create short videos using this AI because in order to grow your YouTube channel faster, you are going to need shorts to get a lot of subscribers very fast. I'll show you how you can use a single movie to actually get a lot of short clips from this AI tool. Then we are going to create a full movie recap. Then I'll also show you how you can use this AI to create documentary as well. So in case you are someone who has always wanted to start all those documentary AI channels, well, you've gotten all in one pack. So now let's get back to my screen. Now when you click on new video, it brings it over here. Now this everything this AI tool has to offer. The documentary engine where you create documentary videos, the movie recaps where you create full movie recaps, the movies to short where you can just upload a single movie clip and then create short videos from it, and anything explained. Now this anything explained can actually create any sort of explainer video as well. Maybe there's a YouTube video, you just upload it here to create an explainer version or something for you. Now let's go with the short option. Let's create a short first before we proceed. So in order to create short, just click on where it says browse files. Now you need to upload the movie you want to make shorts from. So here's my movie recap channel where I store every single movie that I want to make recap from, and these are the ones that I have actually made already. Now from here I'll just click here to actually upload this particular movie that I want to make a recap of, which is The Caretaker. Now once you click on it, it's uploading. The next thing is simply click on where it says browse files and then also upload the subtitles of that particular movie. Now the source where I get the movies from also give you subtitles. As we all know, Netflix shows subtitles in videos. So I just click here, The Caretaker, and then this is the subtitle version, and I also upload it. Now the reason why this AI tool actually asks you to upload subtitles alongside the movie is basically because when you upload the subtitles, they can easily read and understand every single thing about the movie from the subtitles, and then they can also sync the scenes and every single thing according to their voiceovers and to give you a smoother and better movie recap. So let's wait for this upload to finish up. So guys, now our upload is done. You can see every single thing is done. Now if you uploaded a transcript that doesn't, a subtitle file that doesn't really go in line with the movie clip, they're actually going to notify you. And whenever I upload the movie, make sure you take a look at this section here. If this place that says video name doesn't actually tell you the movie name, then know that there's something wrong. You should cross check before you send your video live. Now from here, you just go through all the other settings and then play with them how you actually want. So now over here, I'll just come subtitles. Now make sure you have subtitles as on so that what captions will be shown in your videos. And you can also adjust the sizes here how you want them to be. Now from here you come over here to speed. Now I always like keeping my voiceover as fast for movie recaps. And then over here, then the voice. Now you can always select any voiceover that you actually want. For me, I've been using this Michael, so I'll keep Michael. Now over here also you can select the number of shots that you actually want. Now you see in this situation you are going to get 10 shots. So you are going to make this video and then it will come alongside with shot. Now if you need more shots, you just have to drag this and see. Meaning if you want 20 shots alongside the video, it will cost you 1,200 credits. But if you want just 10 shots with the video, it will cost you just 600 credits. And I have about 8,000 something credit left. So I'll just click on render now and then let it start rendering. So guys, as you can see right now, all our shots are done rendering. Now you can see we got 9 solid shots. Now one thing I love about them is that they don't just give you the shot randomly, they also add captions to it. You can see the top, there are captions, and then you can see this one here that says ranking biggest review moment. They were ranking the top 5 moments. And if you look, you see clearly that they added number from 4 and then they started counting from 5 to one, and then different scenes will be called for different purposes, and they will give you your SEO title, your clickbait title. They'll give you 3 different title options. You have to pick the one that you actually like. So now you see that what you've gotten 9 solid short form content that you can actually schedule on your channel. So with this, you can schedule 2 or 3 every single day without having to create anything by yourself. So now you have a lot of shots already sitting in your arsenal, all from one single movie recap. Now my advice is simply, we need this shot because shot will help you go viral faster. Out of all these 10 shots, you only need 2 or 3 to go viral. If 3 of them goes viral, your YouTube channel is already sorted perfectly well. So now guys, now in order to see the shot that we just recorded, just come over to here, it says my videos, and now you can see it here, which is the latest ones here, which was done 1 hour ago. So it took about an hour for this thing to actually complete, but it was worth it. 1 hour 10 shots is something you cannot do yourself manually. Now in order to create the long form videos as well, all you need to do is simply click on where it says new video. Now over here at new video, come over to where it says movie recaps. Now if you want to do movie recap, you go with this option. If you want to do any explainer videos, you go with this option. Now let's stick with the movie recap. Now you also click here as usual to actually bring in the movie. So I'm doing the full recap for this same movie as well, known as the Caretaker. So I just click on open. Now you also need to grab the subtitles just as you did for the short form content. So I just click on open. Okay, so guys, now the upload is also done as usual. Now the next thing to do is simply see where it says advanced settings. Click on it. Now these options actually let you set the duration you want. Now for me, I want just a 10-minute recap, so I don't want it to go above 10 minutes. And the other things are, they say raw footage moment. Do you want them to actually include some real moment from the original video, whereby they will play some scenes from the original video, or you don't want it? Now for latest movies, I will always advise you don't enable it, but if you are doing a recap on old movies, then you can actually let it. Now for this sort of movie, I'll just leave it in. I don't know, I just like it in my own movies. Now the watermark size, now you can choose not to include watermark. The reason why I include watermark in my review is that what I'm actually promoting their program as well, which means that I get to generate affiliate sales. So whenever someone sign up with my link or with a code that will be displayed in my videos, I can actually make money from it. So that's why I always allow watermark in my videos. Now subtitles, always make sure that what they are set to on, and you can see affiliate commission booster, I'll turn it on. And then over here, which is a recap language, so this is the language that you want your recap to be. You can select different languages. They're actually going to make the recap for you. It doesn't matter the language the video is on, you can always change the language here. They will make it in different languages for you. So now the speed of narration, movie recaps, I always like it to be fast. And then voiceover, as usual, you can pick any voice of your choice. Now when you are creating movies, it actually comes with option where you can pick shots that you want to include. Now for me, I don't want to include any shots. Why? Because we just generated 10 shots for this same movie. So for that reason, I don't want any shots to be included. So I'll just say no shot needed. But in case you want shots in yours, you can actually let them generate the shot for you. So for now, you can see just the movie recap is going to cost 600 credits. So from here, I'll just click on render now. Now it's actually rendering. Say to take about 20 to 40 minutes. So we just have to sit back and wait for it. Now if you're on their max plan, like the same plan that I am, you can actually do 3 or 4 at a go. But for this, I'll wait for this to finish up before we proceed with the video. So guys, now our movie recap is also done. So now when they create a movie recap for you, they also give you the titles that you actually need. They give you a title, they give you the description, and then the tags for you to also use as on YouTube as well, so you don't have to do anything from scratch. Next up, they also give you images that you can use as thumbnails. Now this image will be a great thumbnail for this sort of movie, because one thing I love about their movie recap is that when we do movies like this, they do it more like all these are faceless folktale stories, which is really interesting. The angle they bring them from is really interesting. Now since you have this, now whenever I create normal recap, they're also going to give you 2 free shots. Now these 2 free shots, you can't reject it. It's a must. They will give them to you whenever they create videos for you. And when they also do when they give you the details, they give you the story hook session. Now this way, if you want to the video, which is the viewers to feel like the video is actually from a story perspective, there you go with the story hook option. Or if you want the YouTube SEO system whereby it actually makes people feel that okay, this is a movie review that you are explaining, then you also go with the full SEO session. And then they also have what they call the hybrid system, whereby they mix both the hook title system to the normal SEO system. So guys, they basically have all of them linked up here. So from here now, let's actually play the video and see how it is.
A mute man takes a caretaker job at an elite academy, but what he finds buried in the woods explains why the last caretaker never left. She demands cigarettes, mocks his silence, and tells him he is no man at all without a voice. She orders him out of her room. Soon after, Edward sits in an employment office. His mother is gone. He faces eviction and his job prospects are grim. The clerk sees his thin resume and his inability to speak, but he has one lead: a caretaker position at an elite school called Lockbridge Academy. Edward arrives at Lockbridge and meets the deputy head, Charles Aberdeen III, who admires a portrait of his father and shows Edward to the office. The headmaster interviews Edward. He values character over credentials, offers a 5-month trial, and delivers his family motto: trust, dedication, and loyalty equal prosperity. Edward gets the job. A cleaner named Marie is assigned to show.
So guys, now that we've gotten our short and we've done every single thing that has to do with the movie recap, now let's go down to one of the most important features that I said I wanted to talk about this platform, and also take a look at how much this tool is actually going to cost you. Now let's go over, let me show you how you can actually use it to create documentaries. So now I'll be doing full video on how you can actually make documentaries with it later on to start your own faceless documentary channel. But first, let's take a look at how you can actually do documentaries with it. Let me just show you how the work around is. So in order to make documentaries with this AI tool, as usual, come over to where it says new video. Now over here on new video, see the documentary engine. Well, this way you're actually going to give you the title to actually do the documentary for you. Now in this case, let me say I want to do a documentary about the rise of North Korea. So I'll just say, now you don't have to give it food, you don't have to write any long script for it, just tell the rise of North Korea, and then click on generate. Now when you click on generate, it's going to suggest a lot of ideas from which is different perspective that you can actually make the video from. Okay, so here it says that what could not fetch ideas right now, try again in minute or just fetch. So in some situation they might not get the exact idea you want, so they'll tell you to come up with your own idea. So basically in this one, let me just say the rise of North Korea. You can just set it up like this, and then the footage. So I want something let me say vintage like this here. I love this vintage look, so I'll click on this look, use this look. Now the next thing is the video duration here, so you can go up to 30-minute videos. Now for a 30-minute video, you're only going to spend 1,800 credits. Now I only need something simple for an example in this video, so I'll stick with 2 minutes. Now over here you select the voice as well. How do you want the voice? So you can always look. So now I'm going to go with Michael, which is my favorite voice so far, and then I'll keep the speed as normal. This is a documentary channel, so we keep it as normal. Now the watermark, as usual, I like keeping watermark in my videos. And then you can also play with the size of the watermark. And then subtitles, let me lower this, it's too big. And the subtitle position, you can always adjust where you want the subtitles to be. You can keep them in the middle, but I always advise you keep them at the lower third like this. Now from here you can upload your own soundtrack and then use it as a background music, or you can keep no music at all. And if you have any medias, images or videos that you want to add to the video, you can also click here to add them as well. So for this, I'll just click on no use hours, meaning they are going to generate all the medias you need. Now from here, just click on make documentary. Now you can see that all the documentary is actually going on now. So now let's just wait. This, they say to take about 8 minutes, so let's just sit back and wait. So guys, now the documentary is actually done. I only did a short documentary, and the crazy thing is that they also give you a short for the documentary as well. They just give you short so that you can always use your short to promote the video, and they're also going to give you thumbnail images as images you can use as thumbnail. So you just download this one, and then AIs are going to do it. Now if you want me to make a full video on actually doing the documentary using these two, from setting up a documentary channel to creating the videos and everything, let me know that in the comment section. So guys, these are everything you get with this tool. Now for every single video that I've created so far, if I come back to my videos, you are going to see that here are all the videos that I've created so far. This one from 2 days ago, this one about 2 hours ago, this one 1 hour ago, and then this one just 17 minutes ago. So I have all of them. All I need to do is simply come over here, download, and then repost, and I'm basically good to go. So guys, this is basically every single thing that you need to know about this tool. Now let's take a look at their pricing and see how much it actually costs for all of these benefits you are going to get. Now in order to do that, let me just click on credits. Let me just click on credits, and then now let's take a look at their prices. Now take a look at it here. They have the $39 plan. However, when you sign up using the link that is available in this video description, wherever plan that you buy, you're going to get 20% off. So take a look here. 80-minute video. So you're going to, if you go for the $39 plan, you have 80 minutes to make video. I mean, if you are making 8-minute video, you'll be able to make 10 videos. But if you are making 10-minute video, you'll be able to make about 8. So 8 videos is enough for a month. You pay $40 for 8 videos. There's about, let me just say, there's about 2 videos per week, which is okay. And each of these 2 videos will come with about 2 to 3 shots by default. Or if you want more, you come over to their $120 plan. With my promo link, you get 20% off. So you do your math yourself. Now this one actually comes with 300 credits, which means that you can make up to 60 videos plus per month, and you will also get 30 free shots for in addition to everything you are doing. So you can see their plans here. 300 minutes of video, meaning you can make videos up to 300 minutes in total. And then you go to the final plan, which is a plan that I am currently sitting on. You see your current plan is, I'm currently on this plan. And with this plan, I have 1,300 minutes to make videos. I can make over 400 videos in a single month. And then it will restart again, because I'm on the yearly plan. So I get about 80,000 credits every single month. Now don't ask me why my 80,000 credits is left with 8,000 credits. I run a lot of channels, and I use this to produce the content instead of stressing myself with all those AI image generation and every single thing. So I'm currently sitting on this plan right now. You can see this every single thing I get, and I think this is the best for the best outcome, the best among all of the plans as well. Now for me, if I'm going to advise you guys, you can join my WhatsApp group, and those of you who are interested, you come together. I'll create a separate group for you guys. Then you guys save up money and then buy this one. This one costs $400 per month. Now if you guys should come with this particular plan with my link, you get 20% off. Obviously, if 10 people comes together and pay $40 each, you have the right, you have about 1,300 credit plus 43 minutes extra. So now let me just say you have about 80,000 credit. If 10 of you come together and then divide this, that means each person is going to get what, 8,000 credit. And for that 8,000 credit, you are going to get close to about 200 or 300 minutes each per video. So from that one, if you take a look at it and compare it, if you buy alone, you are going to get about just 4,800 credit for $40. But when you guys come together as a group to buy, you are going to do what? Get about 8,000 credits. That's almost times 2 of whatever thing you get with this particular plan. So I would advise you guys actually come with this particular plan here, where you get 80,000 credits. So everybody knows their video, everybody keeps their things. You just save the money together, contribute together, and buy this particular plan. It will give you the best outcome. So now, in case you don't want to buy any of their plan, you don't want all these plans that will auto renew and stuff, well, you can come over here because they sell credits alone. Take a look. You can buy 1,200 credits for just $19, and according to them, you can make 20 minutes of video. So you can buy this credit, or you can buy these. They are 3,500 credit for $49, or you buy the 10,000 credits for $119. And also, you can also let them run the full channel for you. So maybe you don't want to stress yourself with running your channel or something, where you can also pay them to actually run the channel for you, and that costs about $1,000 per month. Now with this $1,000, here's what you actually get. You are going to get 90 videos plus 180 shots a month, and they are going to set up 3 YouTube channels for you. So which means that each of your channels, the 3 channels they are going to create for you, each of them will receive 30 videos every single month. And then this 180 shots as well, you can divide it into 3, will be shared. So the amount of content they are going to produce for you will be distributed into 3 different channels. Now you see, with $1,000 per month, they get to handle every single thing. So you can come over here and then look more by clicking on the link that's available in the video description. So guys, hope to see you in my next video. Bye.